Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to apply for an EC online. We'll cover everything from understanding what an EC is to successfully submitting your application. This guide will help you gather the necessary documents, fill out the forms correctly, and navigate the online portal without any hassle. By the end, you'll be well prepared to complete your EC application efficiently and accurately, saving you time and effort. Before starting your application, it's crucial to verify your eligibility. Check the official guidelines to ensure you meet all the specific criteria for the EC you're applying for. Next, prepare all your required documents. This typically includes proof of identity, address, and any other supporting information. Make sure these are scanned clearly and saved in the specified digital formats, like PDF or JPEG, to avoid any upload issues later on. Once your documents are ready, head to the official online portal. If you're a new user, you'll need to register for an account. Otherwise, simply log in. Carefully fill out each section of the application form, providing accurate information. Double-check all entries before proceeding. Then, upload your scanned documents to their respective fields. Ensure each file is correctly attached and visible before moving to the next step. After completing all sections and uploading your documents, take a moment to thoroughly review your entire application. This final check helps catch any errors or missing information that could delay processing. Once you're confident everything is correct, submit your application. You'll usually receive a confirmation and a unique reference number. Keep this safe for tracking your application status. For more great deals, including the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, check the link in the description below. We hope this guide helps you successfully apply for your EC online.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.